Introducing Laminex Architectural Wall Panels. These panels come in 3 profiles and a range of Laminex wood grain decors. Perfect for commercial applications such as cafes, hotels, and shared workspaces. The following is an installation overview. Always wear protective gear before commencing installation. These are some of the tools you will need. Before installing, it is important to prepare the panels and surface they will be fixed to. Attach battens to the stud or steel frame using power-driven fasteners. Note, there could be plaster in between stud timber or steel frame, and therefore a stud finder would be required. Battens are installed at 450 centers. To get started, measure out the height and width of the wall. These measurements will allow you to calculate how many panels you require. Trimming of the panels may be required. Remember to allow for a 10 mm expansion gap at the top and bottom of the panel. Panels can also be applied to plasterboard. Check you have noggins and battens in place and that the battens are straight and level. Check with a spirit level or laser level. To cut the sheets, we recommend the use of a power saw with a tungsten carbide TCT or diamond tip blade that has an additional scribing blade to prevent chipping your architectural wall panels. When approaching an electrical outlet or light switch, measure the position of a GPO or opening, including the distance from the edge of the wall to the floor and the size of the power outlet. Any access cutouts for a GPO must not be located less than 150 mm from the edge of the panel. Before cutting, tape the surface around the area to prevent chipping. Any internal corner must be cut with a minimum internal radius of 10 mm. Always work with a licensed electrician when working with electrical outlets. The panels require sealing before installation. Place your panels on a workbench or foldable workstation. Apply water-based sealant with a fine paintbrush to seal each end of the wall panel, being careful not to get excess sealant on the decorative face of the panel. This should be performed after cutting to size, as each end will need to be sealed before installation. Use spacers to ensure there is a 10 mm expansion gap at the top and bottom of the panel. To begin the installation, start from the corner and work across the wall. Then position the panel on the frame. Using a spirit level, ensure the panel is accurately positioned. Ensure there is a 10 mm gap between the wall and first panel. Attach the panels to the frame using power-driven fasteners. Apply a generous amount of flexible construction adhesive in a zigzag pattern on each noggin and stud, making sure you only treat one panel at a time before installation. Position the next panel and join using the unique Invisalign TM system. Do not hard knock the sheets together. Repeat this process. Once you reach a corner or doorway, you must measure the gap from the fixed panel to the corner. Cut the final panel so that it fits the remaining space. The next panel can be put into place using the Invisalign joining system to align the joints. Fix off and add finishing touches. Your wall is now complete. Visit laminex.com.au for more information.